If you are thinking about starting a sweatshirt business from home, but believe you need expensive equipment, a huge investment, or complicated technical skills, then this video is for you because it might completely change your perspective. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start a sweatshirt business with just one machine, a heat press. I'll walk you through the materials you'll need, the real cost, and the complete production process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to decide whether this business model is a good fit for you. Let's get started. To begin this business, you'll need the following. First, you'll need a heat press. You'll also need a blank t-shirt or sweatshirt. You'll need DTF transfers. If you've never heard of DTF before, don't worry, I'll explain exactly what it is in just a moment, and I will show you how to get them. You'll also need a lint roller, a few Teflon sheets, packaging bags for your products, and ideally, a label printer. With these items, you'll be able to produce, package, and ship your products without much complexity. Now, let's talk about DTF transfers. If you are unfamiliar with this method, DTF stands for direct-to-film printing. It is a printing process where a design is printed onto a special film and then transferred onto a garment using heat. The machine required to produce these transfers are usually quite expensive. That's why many companies specialize in printing DTF transfers and selling them ready to use. What designs can you print? You can create your own designs using Canva. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry. It is simply an online design platform that you can access from your computer or your phone. It is very user-friendly and beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a professional designer to create attractive designs. Canva offers a free version that is more than enough for getting started. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Another option is purchasing pre-made designs. Most DTF printing companies already offer ready-to-print designs. You simply choose the design you like, place your order, and they take care of the printing. However, if you want something unique, you can upload your own custom designs and have them printed as well. Many DTF suppliers sell transfers individually, but they also offer Gantt sheet. A Gantt sheet allows you to place multiple designs on a single sheet or roll and pay for the total print area rather than paying for each design separately. This is a great option if you want to test multiple designs and discover which ones sell best before investing more money. Personally, I've used transfers from gfis.com and they've worked very well for me so far. Their turnaround time is usually around 2 days and they often offer free shipping once you reach a minimum order amount. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to check them out. If you live in another country, simply search on Google for DTF printing near me. Nowadays, this service is available in most locations. Now, let me show you the complete production process. First, place your t-shirt or sweatshirt on the heat press. Use a lint roller to remove any dust, lint, or debris from the surface. This helps ensure proper adhesion. Next, pre-press the garment for about 3 or 5 seconds. This removes moisture from the fabric. Then place your DTF transfer onto the garment. You can use a ruler or placement guide to make sure the design is centered correctly. Close the heat press and press for approximately 10 to 15 seconds using medium to firm pressure. Always follow the temperature and pressing instructions provided by your transfer supplier. Once finished, allow the transfer to cool and carefully peel away the film. Finally, place a Teflon sheet over the design and do a short second press to fully seal the transfer. And that's it, your product is now finished and ready to package. Now let's look at the real startup costs. First, you'll need a heat press. You can find a good beginner heat press for around $180 to $250. Of course, there are much more expensive options available, but I believe a machine in this price range is more than enough to get started. Next, you'll need blank shirts or sweatshirts. You could start with 2 colors, 3 sizes, and 3 units of each size. That will give you 18 garments and will cost approximately $130. You'll also need DTF transfers. A gun sheet that allows you to fit around 10 designs might cost approximately $22, bringing the cost per design to roughly $2 to $250. If you order 2 gun sheets, you'll spend around $50 and have approximately 20 designs available. You'll also need a lint roller. You can often find a pack of 3 for around $6. You'll need a Teflon sheet as well. This costs about $7 and will last a long time. For packaging, you'll need clear poly bag. A pack of 100 may cost around $10, which means each bag costs roughly 10 cents. You'll also need poly mailers for shipping. For about $10, you can purchase 50 mailers, bringing the cost per mailer to approximately 20 cents. As your order quantities increase, your packaging cost per unit will decrease. Finally, you'll need a label printer. A basic label printer can cost around $50 and is generally a one-time investment. You'll also need label paper, which might cost approximately $10. If you already own a regular printer, you can use that instead. However, I think a label printer is a worthwhile investment because it saves a lot of money. When we add everything together, the total startup cost comes to approximately $443. I believe this is one of the best ways to start a T-shirt business because you don't need expensive equipment beyond the heat press. This method allows you to offer high-quality products with vibrant colors while leveraging a professional printing service. You can test different designs without risking large amount of money and identify your winning products. The production process is also extremely fast. Once you have your transfers, it's basically press, cool, package, and ship. If you were handling every step of the printing process yourself, it would take much more time and require a significantly larger investment. With this approach, you can focus your energy on selling and marketing your products. Later, if your business grows and you decide to invest in your own DTF printing equipment to lower costs, that's absolutely an option. But as a starting point, I believe this is an excellent business model. It is a practical way to offer quality products, test designs, and learn what your customers actually want. I leave links in the description to all the supplies I mentioned in this video. I personally purchase most of them through Amazon because it makes the process simple and convenient. You'll be able to see exactly what I use and have a clear reference point if you'd like to get started yourself. If you've been looking for a practical and realistic way to start a T-shirt business from home, this method is definitely worth considering. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a comment and share it with someone who might find it useful. And don't forget to check out my channel where I share different ways to start a small business from home with a relatively low investment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.